Bye-bye debris. So again, it's kind of a three-step process. We go ahead and blow the bulk of the debris off. Rinse this down. Okay, I'll start there. I'll scoot over here in the middle. And now we practice our cornhole skills, tossing all this. And then ultimately, once we remove the debris from them and we rinse them, then we make sure that the downspouts are flowing. We had a couple already that were clogged in the actual elbow. Had to crank up a little bit more pressure, blow that debris out. So again, you can see I'm getting most of the stuff out, but not everything, because we're gonna flush that system. So we're just trying to get the dirt of it. We want to minimize, and we are going to clean up some of that debris. Obviously, you can see we are in a wooded lot, which is why there's so much stuff on here already. All right, so he's almost done over there. Then we'll take the power washer, rinse this all down, rinse the remaining debris off the roof. And the nice thing when we flush this, all this will end up right here. We'll just grab whatever clump. Oh, sorry, it's actually right there. We'll grab whatever clump of debris out of there and get it cleaned up. See ya.